Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. For this one, the display freezers. And let me give you the overall sizes first. For the units length, they are about like 18 and 1/4 inches long. And the overall depths, they are almost about like 18 inches deep. And the overall height of the units, they are about like 33.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with LED banners on top of it, and they do have a double layered glass. And when we opened it, we can see the inner side, they come in with 1, 2, 3 shelvings, and all the heights is adjustable. And also this door is soft closed. They have handles right here. For the inner side dimensions, the shelving racks is about like 11 inches deep. And the length is about like 12.5 inches wide. And for this access clearance height is about like 19.5 inches. Also, when we're looking at the inner side, we can see they do have a big air circling fan at the behind and mount on top. They do having the LED light strips right here at front of the door. And when we're looking at the behind of the units, we can see the manufacturer, they offer the standard 110 plugs coming with the 2 switchers, one for the power, one for the line. And they do have controllers at the behind. You can set in all the temperatures you want. And on the other side, we can see they do have the ETL sanitation stickers and all the car sheets information, diagram information about the machine. So this will be all information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.